Welcome to Panasonic eHelp. In this video, we will show you how to install the Panasonic Home Hawk front door camera. Before you begin the installation process, make sure to read all the safety warnings and cautions in the installation guide. The wireless communication range of each device in the system from the access point is approximately 328 feet. Wireless communication may be unreliable when the following obstacles are located between the access point and other devices: metal doors or screens, walls containing aluminum sheet insulation, walls made of concrete or corrugated iron, double pane glass windows, multiple walls, or when using each device on separate floors or in different buildings. Install the front door camera with a height of up to 7 feet 3 inches from the ground. When possible, install the front door camera more than 8 feet 2 inches away from any street. The visual detection range is horizontally 150 degrees and vertical 85 degrees. Avoid placing items in the detection range like hanging plants and flags that may move and may cause false detections. Before you begin the physical installation of the camera, make sure to charge the camera. By charging the battery fully, the product runs longer without the need to frequently remove it for charging. Turn the camera off and plug the supplied USB cable into the camera. Connect the cable to a USB charger. Plug the USB charger into an electrical outlet. Charging takes 7 hours. The red charge light will blink while charging and turn a solid red when complete. When charging is complete, turn the camera power on. Confirm that you have downloaded the HomeHawk app to your mobile device. Connect the AC adapter to the access point and then to an electrical outlet. Plug the Ethernet cable to the access point and the other side of the Ethernet cable to your home router. Make sure that you have completed the initial setup to the app and that you are able to access the system using your mobile device. Attach the wall mounting adapter to a porch wall. Secure the wall mounting adapter to the wall by tightening the 3 supplied screws. The wall mounting screws that are supplied with the camera are for a siding installation. For other types of wall installation, refer to the camera's installation instructions. Open the interface cover and confirm that the power switch is set to on. Close the interface cover and switch the door lock switch back to the lock position. Match the positions of the hooks on the back of the camera and the wall mounting adapter. Rotate the camera until you hear a click and the camera is securely mounted. View the image angle of the camera on the app. If necessary, use the supplied spacer to adjust the installation angle of the camera. To use the spacer, you need to remove the camera from the bracket. Loosen the screws and insert the spacer between the wall mounting adapter and the wall. Then, tighten the 3 screws. Reattach the camera and view the image angle on the app. When the image is correctly aligned, installation is complete.